So in this video, I want to show you another cool thing on DShop Price Protector that I found very useful. I already have a limitation on eBay of 7,000 products and they just updated it to 9,000. So 9,000 items is a lot of work to do by hand or to do them one by one. And they have here a bulk lister. I can just bulk list all together. I sometimes upload 100 items at once. I can just put in an ASIN number here, and it has a string. I'll show you later how to do it. These are you can add in a headline. This is the price and the quantity. We'll talk about it later again. And I can choose another item. Let's just randomly choose something else. Let's say this. Another ASIN number. And let's pick another thing. Maybe this. Just really randomly picking items right now just to give you an example of what I usually do on my everyday work, Okay, and now I can add in again my watermark images if I want to, or a template. I can put in templates. I can add in words before or after. Let's say I want to add in free shipping, okay, after the title. Okay, and I click on submit, bulk import. I approve again, and it starts running. It's processing the items I've listed. And of course, as many more items you have, it'll take a little bit longer. But you can actually do it at the same time. You can just do something else. Leave it and go do something else. So it's really time saving. And that's it. It's successful. You can see it says success. If I click on it, I can see the item here on eBay. Wow, I already have 4 views. Cool, huh? That's some quality. It's quality listing, real fast. It uploaded all the photos from Amazon, all the info on the product, all my shipping and handling details, my return policies, my payment policy, everything in just one click.